we'd head back. And that to me was, this was wonderful. And it gave me an insight into who the people of Vietnam are. Not the people in the cities, but the people out in the country. And I became very good friends with some of them. Some of them actually worked on our base. And there was one lady that would bring me lunch every day. So I learned about Montagnard, or not Montagnard, but Vietnamese food, which is actually really good, but it's spicy. And so that was my introduction to the indigenous people. I could look in the distance and see their mountains and wish I could go there, but never allowed to go. But I got to know the other people who were very similar. And, people of Vietnam.
Yeah.
And
do you know what tribe that group was?
No.
No? Okay.
I can't. I never mentioned a tribe.
Okay.
In the